to learn next point present on the page number 51, magnetic effect of electric current. What is mean by magnetic effect of electric current? That is, magnetic field and electric field both are related to each other. In this topic 4, different types of experiments are given, and from that experiment we have to draw the conclusion. These experiments are performed by different scientists, and from that they have drawn the conclusion. That is, magnetic field and electric field both are related to each other. That is, when electric current passes through any metallic conductor, it automatically produces around itself magnetic field. This is very interesting phenomenon. बघा, जेव्हा करंट पास होतो एखाद्या कंडक्टरमधून, ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याच्याभोवती मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड तयार होते. आता तुम्ही चुंबक बघितलं असेल. चुंबकाचं काम काय आहे? इट विल अट्रॅक्ट आयर्न ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड इटसेल्फ. बघा, जेव्हा करंट पास होतो एखाद्या कंडक्टरमधून, ऑटोमॅटिकली मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड, ऑटोमॅटिकली चुंबकाचे जे गुणधर्म असतात ते ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याच्याभोवती तयार होतात. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज मॅग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. So you can see on page number 51 one experiment is given. You can see here, this is a copper wire. It is connected to the battery. This is a plug key. So when we close the plug key, then what will happen? Current will flow from the battery to the copper wire. Magnetic needle is placed near to this circuit. This is the magnetic needle. It will consist of two poles, South pole and North pole, and it is placed near the circuit. In the next circuit diagram, you can see battery is exchanged. That is, positive and negative terminals of the battery are exchanged. You can see here negative and positive. Here you can see positive and negative. Both terminals are exchanged in the next figure. Magnetic needle is placed as it is. So, what is the experiment and what is its conclusion? Copper wire is connected to the circuit, to the battery. When we close the plug key, electric current will flow through the copper wire. When electric current flow through the copper wire, then what will happen? This magnetic needle will deflect. You can see here, this dotted line represents the deflection of magnetic needle. Deflect means moves here and there. It is called as deflection. That is, when electric current passes through the copper wire, then magnetic needle deflects. In the next diagram also you can see here, the battery is exchanged. That is, positive negative terminals of the battery are exchanged. And when we close the plug key, electric current passes through the copper wire and magnetic needle deflects, but in opposite direction as that of previous one. You can see here, North pole deflect to the west direction, and you can see here North pole deflect toward the east direction. So this is the difference. But what is the conclusion of this experiment? When current flows through the copper wire, it will create magnetic field around itself. This experiment is called as Oersted experiment because this experiment is performed by the scientist Oersted. So what is the conclusion? Maybe these two diagrams are given in your exam. Activity based questions are asked in the exam. So these two diagrams are given. Maybe question asks, this experiment is performed by which scientist? This experiment is performed by scientist Oersted. What is the conclusion of this experiment? Then conclusion of Oersted experiment is that, first conclusion, current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around itself. So magnetic needle deflect. That is, it moves. Second conclusion, direction of magnetic field produced by the current is the direction in which North pole is deflected. That is, in this experiment North pole is deflected. So magnetic field is, the direction of magnetic field is perpendicular to the length of conductor and line joining the conductor and given point. That is, the direction of magnetic field is perpendicular to the length of conductor and line joining the conductor and given point. So what is the conclusion? when current passes through the metallic conductor, automatically it will produce magnetic field around itself. So magnetic field and electric field both are related to each other. This is magnetic effect of electric current. I have learned Oersted experiment. In that experiment, copper wire is connected in the circuit. When current flows through the copper wire, then magnetic field is produced around the copper wire. And magnetic needle which is placed near the circuit, it deflect. Deflect means it start to move. The magnetic needle always represent the north and south direction. So magnetic needle is used in various type of instrument such as in a ship or aeroplane to indicate the north and south direction. So when magnetic field is produced, then magnetic needle deflects. But when we stop the current, then what will happen? Magnetic field vanishes. So the deflection of magnetic needle will stop. So we have seen that experiment. Regarding to that, some questions will be asked in your exam, because in board exam the diagrams are given, and regarding to that some questions will be asked. For example, on page number 51, these two diagrams are given in your exam, and question will be asked, this experiment is performed by which scientist? This experiment is performed by scientist Oersted. And regarding to that experiment, one question will be also asked, what is the conclusion of this experiment? So the conclusion of this experiment is that the current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around itself, and due to that magnetic field, magnetic needle deflect. But when we stop the current, the magnetic needle come to the rest, and it shows the north and south direction. So this is the conclusion. So regarding to that experiment, other questions will be asked. Which are these questions and what are the answers? Question number 1. When current pass through the wire, what will happen? When current pass through the wire, magnetic needle deflect. Question number 2. When current pass through the wire increases, then what will happen? When current pass through the wire increases, then deflection of needle also increases. That is, when we increase the current, the needle will start to move very fast. That is, its deflection increases. Question number 3. When current through the wire is stopped, then what will happen? When current is stopped, then magnetic needle come to rest in its original position along the north and south direction. Magnetic needle always indicate north and south direction. Then question number 4. If current is reversed, then what is the effect? You have seen the figure second. In that, the positive and negative terminal of the battery are exchanged. That is, current get reversed. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, when current is reversed, needle deflect in opposite direction. You can see here, deflection of the needle in opposite direction as that of previous one. Then question 5. If distance between magnetic needle and wire is increased, then what will happen? If distance between the magnetic needle and current carrying conductor is increased, then what will happen? So in that case, the deflection of needle become very less. Suppose circuit is present here and magnetic needle is present near to that, then there is a deflection. But when we keep the magnetic needle very far away from that circuit, then effect of magnetic field is very less. So there will be no deflection of the magnetic needle. So it is always placed near to the circuit. That is, magnetic field produced around the copper wire, its strength is very less. So we have to keep that magnetic needle very close to the circuit. When we increase the distance between these two, then deflection of the magnetic needle is very less. So these are the questions. Activity based questions are asked in the board exam. So you have to understand the experiment. You have to understand the concept so that you can write the questions regarding to that experiment.